another day, another early morning and another ride. It's 6 in the morning and I'm going for a ride. It's not a short ride as well, it's going to be a long ride. And I'll be joining by my cousin and his friends as well. I'll be meeting them at, I think there is a petrol pump in 2.5 kilometers from here. I'm gonna meet them there. Damn, it's 15 degrees Celsius here. It's freezing cold. Kudos to these guys, man. Such early morning, they are out for a walk. Just look at the sky, man. The faded orange color. Just amazing. Just look at it. The moon is up yet. The dawn color, man. Just amazing. Nothing like this. I think there are 3 of us. He's my brother on Himalayan. Follow him on Instagram. His name is Viraj Kakare. I'll drop the bio in the description box as well. That's man, amazing. Again, this mic issues there. I should buy this mic, man. Because of the mic, I have to keep my visor open, and because of that, the wind is just rushing inside my helmet, which is causing the helmet to lift up. He's on Himalayan, so he's just gliding through the speed breakers like a maniac. But I cannot do that because I don't have such good suspension, and this is not an adventure zone. I might as well keep my limits. Let's say this patch is good, I think. I can throttle up a bit. Amazing, man! Yes, the feel! I'm well over 80. For some reason, I felt like my rear tire was slipping at that speed. Don't know. Maybe because of some gravel on this road. That might cause that. Moreover, I don't think of any other issue because I checked the entire thing, this entire bike, just 2 days earlier as well, or any imbalances or anything. So off-road yahi se chalu ho rahi hai bhai. Okay, oh man, I forgot where we are going. So it's not that I forgot where we are going, it's just it's that I forgot to tell you guys where we are headed. So we are headed for the Rajmachi trail. It's an off-road trail till the mid section of the fort. So there we are headed. I had my doubts as well. I've not gone there on the bike. I've trekked there on foot. So it was, I'm not sure how it would be. I think my brother has done it earlier, so he has some idea. I asked him whether this elephant can do this kind of off-roading or not. So he said that he also did that trail on Classic the last time he did. हाँ यही बोलो भाई. ऑफ रोडिंग करने के लिए कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत ही क्यों है भाई. हमारे हाईवेज ही ऑफ रोड है. The shades of the sky that I have just witnessed within just half an hour is just spectacular. Now just look at this orange shade. It is quite light in nature. I hate this kind of speed breaker. Speed breaker should be, yeah, it should limit your speed. That is true, but it should not be in this shape like this. It is just like a pimple, but it should not be. I believe the speed breakers are more like this. So, yeah. That was a quick break. We had some chai. I did not have it because just 15 minutes earlier I had a strong coffee. So I did have it today. But it's freezing cold, damn it. It's freezing cold. थोड़ी सी चाय की चुस्की लेनी. Again. The sky. I am a more fan of the sunrises than the sunsets. Today is Sunday. तो अभी कैसा हुआ, थोड़ा फर्स्ट हाफ है थोड़ा, तो मुझे अभी डिप्रेशन नहीं है. जैसे ही वो 7 बजे का क्या बोलते हैं 7 बजे आफ्टर 7 hours, like after 7 o'clock, that depression will start kicking in. Man, tomorrow I have to work. Forget about the work, just enjoy the ride, man. I hope my voice is audible to you guys, at least some of it. Please suggest, man, if any of you are watching this video, 20% of my 71 subscribers, any of you guys are watching it and you have experience with wireless mics, just tell me how the wireless mics that you buy, which are of course not the DJI ones, how compatible are this with DJI? Oh, I again felt that wobble on my rear tire. Just loading this guy. Dang, 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 dang. Okay. Engine braking is the key, guys. From 100 I guess I dropped to 20 kilometers per hour with engine braking. Not just engine braking, of course. Look at that sun, man. Amazing. I'm making full use of this word amazing today. they have marked some of the speed breakers at least. It's my genuine request to the rail authority to at least paint the speed breakers with vibrant white color, that radium color, or at least just put a sign 50 meters or 60 meters prior to the speed breaker that there going to be a speed breaker ahead. It's a genuine request, man. The mountain range. बीच में खड़े रहो गाइस, बीच में, थोड़े से साइड में हो तुम. इतना सारा विटामिन डी, मेरी हड्डियाँ, माई बोन्स आर हीलिंग, आई कैन फील दैट. क्या सिल्की रोड है मैन. ऐसे अगर रोड्स अगर होते हर जगह तो और क्या ही चाहिए था भाई. Such good roads. I thought he was gonna stop me. थोड़े मुंह में आ गए थे भाई. मुंह में आने की ज़रूरत तो कुछ नहीं है, मेरे पास सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स है, एवरीथिंग इज गुड. बट who wanna get stopped? There was one guy with this SQ. He just look at the bikes here. Amazing. This one is nice looking bike. What is this? What now? Does that become the meeting point of all the bikers or what? तो पिकाचू वाला हेलमेट पहन के था भाई. बाइक्स बघितल्या बाइक. So we have left that ghat and we have changed our route. ये भेड़ चाले देखो, भेड़ चाले देखो.